Sure, here's a list of 30 places known for their stunning views that are perfect for drone photography. 1. Grand Canyon, USA. Awe-inspiring canyons and dramatic landscapes. 2. Machu Picchu, Peru. Ancient ruins surrounded by lush mountains. 3. Santorini, Greece. Iconic whitewashed buildings and azure waters. 4. Patagonia, Argentina, Chile. Majestic mountains and glaciers. 5. Banff National Park, Canada. Turquoise lakes and rugged peaks. 6. Cappadocia, Turkey. Unique rock formations and hot air balloons. 7. Faroe Islands, Denmark. Rugged cliffs and serene villages. 8. Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Vibrant coral reefs and marine life. 9. Swiss Alps, Switzerland. Snow-capped peaks and alpine meadows. 10. Namib Desert, Namibia. Vast sand dunes and striking desert landscapes. 11. Iceland. Dramatic waterfalls, glaciers, and volcanic landscapes. 12. Bali, Indonesia. Rice terraces and tropical beaches. 13. Dolomites, Italy. Towering peaks and picturesque valleys. 14. Yosemite National Park, USA. Granite cliffs and giant sequoias. 15. New Zealand. Diverse landscapes from beaches to mountains. 16. Norwegian fjords, Norway. Deep blue fjords and steep cliffs. 17. Hawaii, USA. Volcanic landscapes and lush tropical scenery. 18. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, China. Pillar-like formations and dense forests. 19. Cinque Terre, Italy. Colorful coastal villages and dramatic coastline. 20. Taj Mahal, India. Iconic mausoleum and surrounding gardens. 21. Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe. One of the world's largest waterfalls. 22. Atacama Desert, Chile. Otherworldly landscapes and salt flats. 23. Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. Unique wildlife and volcanic landscapes. 24. Horseshoe Bend, USA. Stunning river bend and desert surroundings. 25. Moraine Lake, Canada. Crystal clear glacial lake and surrounding peaks. 26. Kyoto, Japan. Historic temples and beautiful gardens. 27. Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. Vast savannas and wildlife migrations. 28. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. Turquoise lakes and cascading waterfalls. 29. Blue Lagoon, Iceland. Geothermal spa and striking blue waters. 30. Antelope Canyon, USA. Narrow, sculpted sandstone canyons. These locations offer breathtaking views and unique landscapes, making them ideal for capturing stunning drone photography. Happiest traveling. Subscribe. Okay, bye now.